a bill of $2.35 was paid in dimes and nickels. If there are 32 coins in all, how many of each kind were used to pay the bill? To solve this problem, we'll need to define two equations. The first equation represents the number of coins, or the amount of coins. And the second equation represents the value of the coins. Let's make our first equation. Okay. We're going to represent the dimes with D and the nickels with N. And we're being told that D plus N is equal to 32. The second equation is going to represent the value of the coins. A nickel is 5 cents, so we'll put 0.05 N plus 0.10 D, because a dime is 10 cents. And the total value of these two is going to be $2.35. Okay. Now we can rearrange the first equation to get the value of any variable. We can get the value of D and N. But let's find the value of D. To find the value of D, we'll need to move positive N onto the other side of the equation. Since we're adding N on this side, we'll subtract N to cancel out. And whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do it on the other. So we'll also subtract N over here. Now we have D is equal to 32 minus N. Now in the second equation, wherever we see the letter D or dimes, we can just put 32 minus N to replace it. So we'll just write 0.05 N plus 0.10. Now, in parentheses, since we see a D over there, we're going to put 32. We're going to put 32 minus N. Our next step is to solve or simplify. So I'm going to write everything down to the point till right here. So I'm not going to write 0.10 because I'll have to multiply that value inside of the parentheses right over here. So 0.10 times 32 is equal to 3.2. And 0.10 times negative N is equal to negative 0.10 N. Okay. Now we have to add or subtract like terms. Right away, we know that 0.05 N and negative 0.10 N are like terms. So we're gonna subtract them both, and it'll give us negative 0.05 N. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add 3.2 over here, which is equal to 3, 5.